For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
Creating some distance from the regular digital currencies, Uniswap works on a decentralized peer-to-peer trade robotized market producer, AMM, to empower the exchanging of crypto resources. Additionally, it works on conventional trades. Before we dive into the Uniswap cost expectation, let us examine a portion of the one-of-a-kind highlights of Uniswap. Being connected to Ethereum empowered as 2 brilliant agreements to procure interest, Uniswap has an exceptional component and give liquidity straightforwardly from liquidity suppliers, LPs. This component of Uniswap goes about as a significant impetus in totally eliminating the obstacle concerning token mining. In a way, it advances straightforwardness, wiping out the brokers or consent totally. Thus, rather than the singular cryptographic forms of money, the computerized resources are connected as matches. Thus the liquidity gets administered for these parts in like manner. As a decentralized convention for robotized liquidity arrangement on ETH, Uniswap shocked the whole crypto space when during pandemic Uniswap chose to send off this token UNI on September 17, 2020. This was sorcery for that large number of holding Uniswap as they turned tycoons on September 17, 2020. While overwhelming the crypto world, an influx of Stage's administration token began administering the crypto conversations once more. Look at the UNI coin subtleties before we leap to point-by-point Uniswap cost forecast. Uniswap, understanding technicalities. The vision of UNI stands tall and firm. Leaving impressions on the innovative and utilitarian ecospace, UNI sustains trust alongside accommodation, making the existences of the Uniswap clients overall simple. There are factors separated from the over that administer the Uniswap, UNI, cost equitably, viz. The connection among organic market is the well-established peculiarity of inconsistent connection works for UNI token. Brokers come to advertise with desires that the Uniswap digital money market they hold will guarantee incredible returns. In any case, because of pandemic, financial backers are constrained to search for other supporting procedures or any elective flow speculation choice. In the event that the interest for decentralized finance applications goes up, it will be good for UNI tokens as well. The more the holders begin purchasing the token for an enormous scope, no big surprise the cost will go childhood, the inventory might descend. Uniswap change in cost occurring over these midpoints will serious areas of strength for show. Right now, the cost of $40 as shown by Uniswap is moderate yet crafty and can shoot to better levels. According to Uniswap UNI cost forecasts, this is the most suitable chance to book benefit in the Uniswap by taking advantage of your abilities as a swing dealer. To comprehend the value changes of UNI better, it would be great to dig further into the past narrative of Uniswap. Uniswap price prediction, 2022 to 2026. The main help factor about pandemic is that it has not done any kind of separation with regards to monetary forms. The greater part of the government-issued types of money, as well concerning digital currencies, have met with a similar lamentable destiny. Numerous financial backers are as yet catching the conflict of the leftover titans, thinking about whether it is truly worth putting resources into Uniswap, UNI. Despite the fact that the coin has shown an extraordinary supporting execution somewhat recently, many market tutors derive the bull run could be far off, while the others banter totally in an unexpected way. The cost graph is referenced here alongside the Uniswap expectation. The ongoing cost of UNI is above $10. With the computerized resource UNI token having a market capitalization of $6,707,508,563, it is without a doubt a positive thinking in crypto space, winning in the far-off skyline in light of Uniswap cost estimate. The ongoing ATH and new ATH will have gigantic contrast. Uniswap price prediction 2022. Having begun late in last year, the Uniswap value activity will ride a bullish pattern all through 2022, will keep riding news waves proceeding into 2023. Some in the middle of between the years 2022 and 2023, The value developments of UNI/USD should have been visible, taking it to a higher point fixed at $15, followed by a prompt sharp rectification toward the finish of 2022. Taking into account the main year, as per UNI cost forecast 2022, the base cost would reach to $12 and most extreme cost to $15. The typical cost would be $13.50. Uniswap price prediction 2023. Fluctuating somewhere in the range of $14 and $17. As per Uniswap cost expectation 2023, the cost of Uniswap might show some obstruction, however it can't be said with sureness about the positive difference in cost of UNI regarding whether these 3 years would check the brilliant time for this digital money UNI. There could be a few tremendous changes in crypto industry situations, market positions, financial overwhelms, strategy rebuilding, or some other political justification for the coin to have its exhibition on trade. UNI, in any case, is known to be strong and predictable. Both worldwide financial aspects may too meaningfully affect Uniswap cost development. As per Uniswap forecast, the base cost would reach to $14 and greatest cost to $17.20. The typical cost would be $15. Uniswap price prediction 2024. A few specialists likewise foresee, as per UNI cost forecast, that value revision may likewise be powerful around this period, taking the Uniswap UNI cost around $18 in 2024, riding as a market creator. In the main, a portion of the cost would reach up to $18.50. Area explicit changes also influence the cost of Uniswap. Consequently, coming towards its advanced objectives, one thing that can be ensured about the UNI token is that the stars are brilliant for this resource. Having upset the whole worldwide page of exchanges, UNI token sets out on the journey of leaving a striking impression on this environment. Uniswap price prediction 2025. According to Uniswap price prediction and our own examination, a few hypotheses around the cost of Uniswap in 2023 likewise features that UNI would ride the positively trending market by 2025. UNI could try and arrive at another high of $22. Uniswap appears now to competition to set a record, confirming its position showing security. As per Uniswap forecast, in the main half, it would go up to $16 and the most extreme cost would reach to $23 in the year 2025. Uniswap price prediction 2026. As per UNI cost expectation, as this year has gone before by the mining occasion, there ought to be a bullish development driving the cost of Uniswap to go on towards a base value level of $25 without a doubt. In the principal half it would reach to